SoundCloud is a widely known website for people to explore and listen to different music and songs. So what if you can get paid and start earning money certainly by listening to music? Cool, right? Whether you're from Korea, United States, Philippines, Middle East, Japan, or anywhere else in the world, you can make money online each day purely by listening to music on SoundCloud. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be always updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. You can generate several hundreds of dollars just by listening. Here's how much profit you can obtain from this. Having listened to one song generates you $3. Hearing 10 songs generates you $30. And listening to 20 songs earns you $60. You can earn $150 per day by listening to 50 songs every day. The best part is that you're doing it as many times as you want. Yes, of course, this method is absolutely free, which indicates you don't even have to pay anything to get started. Everything you need is a smartphone or a desktop to hear music. But first, I'd like you to visit SoundCloud.com. Mainly, you can use this website to find and listen to different kinds of music and songs. Signing up for SoundCloud is totally free, so as you'll see, there is still a variety of different trendy music which you can find and listen to here. And all of this music is available in multiple languages. Then you can listen to this on your device by downloading SoundCloud. It doesn't really matter whether you have an iPhone or an Android phone. You can download the app for free. As you can see, if you do have an Android phone and look for SoundCloud to play audio and new songs in the Google Play Store, you'll be able to identify an app right away because there are more than 5 million reviews right there. Basically, it is such a great app for exploring various music to listen to, and if you're using an iPhone, you should go to your app store and download. You'll be able to locate and discover different music to listen to once you've downloaded SoundCloud on your phone. What I usually do is scroll down and click on the symbol that says Explore Trending Playlists. That will take me to this website where you can see here, you can classify all of the songs into separate classes, such as if I would like to listen to music in this category. I'll simply click on this song here, which will take me to this site, a scene here where I can click on this play button right here to start playing music. So right there is a playlist that has several songs along with the same song list. Once you've understood the idea of SoundCloud and also how to spot music in it, I'd like to introduce you to the next website in which you can search multiple music lyrics. It's called azlyrics.com. If I want to look up the song lyrics like Adele's Easy on Me, I can just click this link so it will take me to this page in which I can just listen to the song, but I want you to pay more attention to the lyrics as you'll see here. This is the name of the song and that's the entire lyrics of the song. And that's a great opportunity for you and me to really listen to the music and add on words for the music to earn some dollars. As you'll see, the average duration of a regular song is about 3 minutes. So relying on these profits, 1 minute may generate $1 and 3 minutes off one song can make $3 repetitively. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. So the very next thing I would like you to do is go to rev.com, and this is the website on the list. On this website, you can find all kinds of available jobs to transcribe multiple types of music or videos. So let's start with the first category of tasks that are available globally and don't require any money to get started. It's also very convenient and simple, and you can earn $1.25 for each minute of audio you transcribe into lyrics. For instance, if you listen to each of these songs on SoundCloud and transcribe those into lyrics, you can be compensated for every single minute of sound since there is so much music and songs on SoundCloud that might need individuals like you and me to transcribe the music and turn it into written text. Now, when you're at the homepage, scroll to the bottom of this website and select freelancers under the About section. That will take you to this page, in which you can see freelance work that pays well and allows you to work from home. You can generally earn money online by simply transcribing or captioning various audio and song files from the comfort of your home. The good thing about this website is that you could always work on any schedule you desire. You can work for an hour, 3 hours, or even just 30 minutes at any time. And you can choose from dozens and dozens of tasks on Rev.com that you can be paid every week instantly into your PayPal account. And the payment is always on time. With this website, there seems to be primarily 2 types of jobs, transcriptionist and captioner. I recommend that you select a transcriptionist and then select the Learn More option. From that, you will be directed to this page in which you can learn more about this website. So what was the purpose of this work, or how can you participate and be accepted to begin transcribing songs and audio files for money on this website? Simply look at the bottom of this website and click on this button right here to register now to become a Rev transcriptionist. I'll walk you through different scenarios of that. You can transcribe right on this website using this free software and how much you can maximize your income potential and receive double profit using this free software in a moment. But first, I'd want to tell you another website that you can sign up and work from a wide range of transcription jobs. The second website is GoTranscript.com, which pays a fairly high rate for online transcribing work. As you can see here, for every single video and audio minute, you will be compensated 77 cents, and it's a very high rate. As such, if a typical piece of music lasts 3 minutes, you could earn $2.30 for listening to and transcribing it. Sign up on multiple websites. You can go to GoTranscript.com and sign up, and on top of that, you can sign up on Rev.com. It is absolutely essential that you sign up on various websites so that you might find career opportunities all over the globe. Again, when you deal with GoTranscript.com, you can take full advantage of a few benefits such as working at home, receiving a wide range of help if you have an issue, and being compensated weekly via PayPal. You may work with your own schedule and explore other works that you enjoy, and then simply pick it up and resume working and transcribing various forms of music. So if you really want to start making money, scroll down the page and click on Work right here, and then click on the Apply Now button right here, which will take you to this page, which you can log into your GoTranscript.com account. It's as easy as entering your email address and password and clicking the Sign Up button. Once you've signed up on both websites and are ready to generate money online, you'll start listening to different types of music and transcribing them into lyrics. That's where I need you to go to this website, otranscribe.com. If you arrive on this page, select on this blue button right here to begin transcribing. Once you choose the kinds of music that you would like to listen to and start transcribing, they usually offer a download file where you can actually receive a link to the music. Take songs on SoundCloud as an example. If you click on the music, you must be able to locate a shared button. Look at this, it's the shared button. If you press on this button right here, it will open a window with a link to these songs. For example, it's the entire link to the song. You can either download the song from this link or publish the music file directly into the software by simply clicking on this button here to upload the music file. And the software in this free tool will instantly help transcribe the whole music into words. Even so, they may contain minimal grammatical mistakes that you must correct. Thus, the free application that I recommend will assist you in making your task convenient. I'm going to share another bonus tip with you right now that will enable you to double your income. If you're in Rev.com, you will see that a typical transcription job pays just $1.25 per minute. But if you look at foreign subtitles, you can generate from around $3 to $7 per minute. That is a lot of money. So when you go to SoundCloud.com, for example, you can explore different genres in multiple languages. For instance, this one is in English, which many folks don't understand. But this one is published in another foreign language, which many people don't know. So it's incredibly hard for you to transcribe styles of music in various foreign languages. And that is why they'll pay you significantly more if you can do it in more than one language. You can visit another website. DeepL.com is another free website that you can use. You can use the interpreter to virtually translate anything from any dialect you want. Consider a piece of music published in Italian that you can translate into English, or a genre of music written in English that you can translate into any dialect you want. Optionally, you can upload the entire audio file into this program and have it do the task for you. This is yet another free tool that helps you work on this area. That could generate you up to $7 per minute online, as you can see here. And obviously, it depends on your country. You can get different jobs. Sometimes you'll get a fairly low-paying job, and sometimes you'll get a better-paying job. There's also a chance where you can listen to genres of music and then simply transcribe them into words, text, and music lyrics and get paid for it. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!